Mike Hughes here. I'm at OceanReef, and I'm looking at the new mask. We've got something added this year. Luca, you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely, it'd be my pleasure. So this is the new Predator extender. It's a new look for this top-of-the-line mask, and there's something really exciting on it. It's called the GSM Mercury, after the Greek god that traveled to deliver the messages. That's what our underwater communication unit does. It's a leap forward in technology, finally reaching 2020 standards. We have a completely new push-to-talk button with a lever to access the menu. It's really intuitive, sturdy, easy, easy to install. We have a 2-earphone communication unit right here. We have an extended range. We have the possibility of choosing volume. We have a possibility of having 2-channel selection. And I think one of the most interesting things is we finally have a rechargeable battery.
Okay, and then that allows you just a lot more time underwater before you...
So a lot more operational use. I mean, I've done this thing like 3 weeks before I actually had to even recharge it.
Wow.
I don't talk that much, even though I'm Italian. But jokes aside, this rechargeable battery means no more disposable batteries. This is good for the environment and good for our wallets as well. You charge it with a micro USB, so you might use a power bank, your computer, or an outlet, or the car. It's very convenient.
Cool.
But we didn't even want to lose the opportunity to actually swap the battery in case you cannot, charge it. You don't have the time. You gotta get in the water. So you can also snap out this battery and have an accessory one in your extra gear. You just unscrew this whenever you need to access the battery compartment, and then you screw it back on and you're ready to go. So it's very, very easy to use.
Nice.
Last feature that I really love of this comm unit, it's fully integrated in our mask. So when you're done, you just
and so the
flip
other
it inside.
Okay. Oh, so you get it out of the way, so it won't get bumped or anything.
Exactly.
And then also there's other features with the other masks. Can you, like the lighting and stuff, you can put in here if you want to.
Absolutely. The nice thing in our line is any accessory you see out there on the other products, you can integrate in your own mask. Okay. So you can build it. I mean, part of the cool thing of having a full face mask versus a conventional mask is that you get to customize it so much. You can add cameras, lights, I mean, you name it.
Action.
And it's amazing. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Camera, lights, action. That's all you need.
And comms.
And comms, so you can hear.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, well, thank you very much. And if you want more information, they're going to go to...
They're going to go to diving.oceanreefgroup.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.